Today we have a Ford Super Duty with a surface rust. As you can see here, nothing serious so far, and we have to prevent this rust eating through the door. Nothing fancy about this truck. This is a firewood beater farm truck, but we don't want this truck rusted and have some holes on the bottom of the door. Well, nothing more permanent than temporary. We'll do the temporary rust treatment. It's cold, it's winter, end of December. It's not the best time to spray the paint, pretty cold, but at least we can do the fluid film treatment and stop that rust. This truck doesn't have any structural rust, just a surface rust, as you can see. Yeah, well, like here you can see this typical problem on Ford Super Duties. The cab corners, they're rot. It's just, yeah, we'll replace this corner. You can buy replacement part and cut this one off, weld new one in, paint it. Will be better as new. Yeah, for the job we just need a few basic tools. Grinder with a wire wheel, very effective. One can of fluid film and a scraper. And of course, because we're working with a wire wheel, safety goggles and the shield must have. Before running a wire wheel, I'm just going to scrape what's already peeling, just like that. And then we'll do the rest with the wire wheel. And as you can see, metal is still solid. It's pretty good. Yeah, perfect time to do the rust treatment. Let's open the door and do the same thing on inside it. Let's pull this weather seal. Make sure. Oh, okay. Some clips are breaking. And as you can see, a little bit of rust here. Here we go. Yeah, the edge rusted out a little bit. Let's scrape first, and then we can run a wheel. Looks better. Let's do the same thing. Let's peel the flaky, rusty paint on the rocker panel. At the moment I don't worry much about the floor and the rust under the cab. That's fine. Main thing to just get the doors, rocker panels, and do some rust treatments from inside. Yeah, to make sure rocker panels just will last a bit longer. Dangerous wire brush time, safety goggles, and a shield. Ear protection, of course. Surface is prepped for the fluid film, and all that loose rust, flaking paint is removed. As you can see, it's all nice and smooth. I still quite a bit of rust. We don't have to remove the bare metal, just prepped for fluid film spraying. And yeah, and later on in the summer we'll do the body work and make it look like a new. But I'm going to use a fluid film. This one's clear, powerful rust and corrosion protection. Wool wax formula, rust's worst enemy. Yeah, works good. Let's just mix it a little bit in. Always active, non-evaporating, non-drying, stays in place, forming a continuous durable protective barrier. Nice, okay. We'll spray a little bit inside with this straw. I have finished the basic rust treatment on one side. Let's check it out. It doesn't look like new, but at least this fluid film will stop the rust from getting worse. And as you can see, we have already a hole on the bottom. And yeah, temporarily stopped the rust for the season. And yeah, nice. This side is done. I haven't started this side yet. Going to do the same, wire brush it, clean it, spray it, and will be just good enough to keep this vehicle from rotting out. Yeah, I also did a little fluid film touch on those chip spots on the hood, just a little bit. We'll paint it later, but now it will stop the rust. This rust treatment didn't improve the look of the truck. We still have those rusty looking spots, but rust is treated. It won't rust more, and yeah, I'm happy. Yeah, more interesting Ford Super Duty truck repair videos are coming. I'm going to weld the new cab corners, replace the rotten ones. Will be a good project. We'll replace the bed and do a little bit body repairs. But main thing, it's all cosmetics, nothing structural, and this truck has lots of life left. Yeah. Thank you so much guys for your time watching this video. If you like it, thumbs up, and if you have any comments, questions, critics, suggestions, put everything down in the comment section below. Take care, see you soon, bye.